Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. I want to do that racing car seat exercise in Onshape. Went okay. I couldn't do the shell here with 30 millimeters, so I had to do it with 20 millimeters and some minor problems, but let's have fun with Onshape. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the front plane. And that might look something like this. Now let's add some dimensions. This angle might be 30. This one might be 60. That distance for 20. This one 82 and that one 75. Now this distance could be 775 and this one 480. Now add something like this, and this should be 30. Now I need two circles, one with 640 diameter and one with 540 diameter. Let's move this one over here, maybe like that, and this point should be on that no, sorry, this one. This point should be right there, and there should be a dimension from this point to that one, and this might be 290. The other circle should be somewhere over here, maybe like that. Let's add dimensions. This distance should be 190 and that distance here might be 255. Now let's trim. This should be removed, that should be removed, and this one, and that one. Now let's see if we can do a fillet. Go for a fillet from this one to that one, and this should not be 5 but 100. Now with that value I should be able to do a fillet here as well. So from this one to that one, yes, and where is the dimension? Just add it, and this should be not 100 but 70. Not possible because there is that constraint. I want to delete this one, and it's possible. And the sketch is finished, so leave that sketch. I need some planes, so go for a plane, add line angle, so this would be the line, and looks okay, confirm. Another one, same type, line angle, select this line, looks okay, confirm, and another one, again line angle with this line over here, like that, and confirm. Okay, now I need sketches, so go for a sketch on this plane right here. I need a line which starts here, and in order to make sure that it works, go for use project convert, this point and that point. Go for a line in that direction, and that length should be 100. Another line from this point straight up, and this should be 180. Now let's add an arc, 3-point arc from this point to that point, and give it a radius, and that radius should be 800. Confirm and leave that sketch. Another sketch now on this plane, that one. Again, convert this point and convert that point, and this one. Draw lines, or just one line up there, and that length should be 122. Add a 3-point arc like that, and the radius might be 750. Confirm and leave that sketch. Move over here, and again a sketch on that's the top plane in this case. Go to convert. I want to convert this point and that one. Draw a line like that. Length should be 200. Add a 3-point arc like that, and the radius might be 840. Confirm and leave that sketch, and I could hide those planes. Hide this plane, hide that plane. Let's go for a loft, and let's go for a surface. That would be my first profile. This would be my second profile, and I could go for a guide or for path. Let's check the guide. Would be like this. No, so let's go for a path. This looks like that. So let's confirm, and I want to extend that surface, which I should be able to do with the extend, which move boundary it's called here. So go for tangent propagation. Yes, select this edge and make it maybe 150 and confirm. Now let's do an extrude with that sketch and make it 250, or let's go for 300 just in case. 300 and confirm. Now I can split that body, so go for split this solid with this tool and confirm, and let's hide which one is which. That's the wrong one, that's the right one. Okay, now I need a sketch on this plane here, so go for a sketch. Okay, and this might look something like, let's go for the right view. I need a construction line, and this should be aligned vertical with that point here, like that. Move it down a little bit, maybe like this, or yeah, like that. Now let's add a spline. This spline should start here, go like that, go a little bit down, go over here and go up outside. And let's go for tangency here and move that point a little bit down and this one a little bit up. So that's no good. This should, yeah, this head. Let's try a new one. Go for that construction line like that, and the spline should go down immediately like this. Okay, now let's try to make it tangent. There you go. This should be tangent like that. That's more like it. Now align this point with that point here vertical. Now let's move it maybe like this. Okay, that's okay. And leave that sketch. Let's make a surface extrude. That's the sketch. And it should go in the other direction. And it should be maybe, yeah, 250 should do. And confirm. Now let's split that solid once more. So split this one with that surface and confirm. Let's hide that solid right here, hide part 3. Okay, now I can mirror that one. So go for a mirror, this part, yes, and the mirror plane would be, of course, the front plane. Merge with part 2, yes, and confirm. Yeah. Now I need sketches. I want to model that bulb here, so I need a sketch on my first plane, this one. Let's use that edge, project it, and let's draw a 3-point arc and maybe like this. Confirm that sketch. Draw another sketch now on that plane here. That would be the top plane. Again, project this edge into your sketch. Go for another 3-point arc. Maybe like that. Confirm. Yeah. Now, in order to make that a solid, I need another sketch on the front plane. Let's go for a sketch on the front plane, yes, and I want to use as construction the intersection here of this one and of that one over here as well, like this, and then I could go for a spline, but I don't want it to be tangent, so let's go just here. And make it like that. Okay. This should be, of course, not for construction. And I want to trim it right there. And that would be sort of a tangency handle of this one. So I could make it like this, and yeah, maybe like that. Looks okay. Maybe move this one a little bit down the line here, and that one a little bit up there. Yeah, maybe like this. Or yeah, and I might edit that sketch a little bit. So this could be that sketch 6, go there, and let's see if we can move that a little bit up like this and confirm. Yeah, that's more like it, maybe. And I don't want this to be tangent, so maybe it's better to do a new spline. Go for a spline from this point here over there and just here. Like that, and then move that point a little bit over here and that one up. Maybe like this, yes. Confirm. Now let's do the loft, and I need it to be a solid, so go for a loft, select this one, that one, then go for guides, one guide, second guide and third guide, merge it with part 2, yes, and confirm. Looks okay. Now I could do fillets. Let's start up here with that edges, or those edges, so go for a fillet on this edge and that edge. Let's try 100 and see if it works. Yes, maybe even more, 120. Yeah, and confirm. Now, another fillet, not tangent propagation on this edge and that edge, and let's try maybe 80 or 75, let's see. Yeah, it works. Yeah, let's go for 80. Now, let's do another fillet with tangent propagation on this edge here. And this might be, let's go for 50. Might work, we will see. And another fillet on this edge, which could be 50 as well. And confirm. Now to the back side. So this looks a little bit odd, that curvature. So that would be which sketch? That was sketch 5. Let's edit this one. So this should not be like that. It should be like this maybe. That would be better. Let's see if this works. Yeah, this looks much better. Let's go over here and add another fillet. On this one, go for tangent propagation. And let's try 80. Works. Is it okay? Maybe. So confirm. Let's switch to the upper side. Okay, now let's try a fillet with tangent propagation. Would go all up to this one. Let's see, and if we add this one as well, yeah. Let's try. Don't know if that will work. Go for 80 and see what happens. Yeah, this will not work, of course. So let's do it without tangent propagation. So select this edge here, those two, and go for, let's try 100. Yeah, maybe. Confirm. And what about this? There's an edge. I have to make a fillet on this edge and that edge. And that might be, let's go for 20. Confirm. And now I should be able to go around with another fillet. Yep, and make it 10 and confirm. This looks okay. Now I might go for the shell. So let's see. Let's go for the shell, and I want to remove this face, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one, and I want to go for 30 millimeters. Let's see. 30. This looks okay. So confirm. Great. Let's go for a fillet on this edge. So go for fillet, select that edge, go for tangent propagation. It works and goes all around. That's okay. And go for 10 millimeters. And confirm. Still looking good. So now let's try to fillet it on the inside which might be a problem. So go for, let's try 5 mm. Select this edge and see if it goes all around. Takes a while. A little while longer. And I've got a hole here. Seems that fillet makes some sort of hole here, or is that just, is it an invisible face, or is it really a face, or is it a hole? I don't know. So maybe let's don't go for tangent propagation or try a smaller radius. Just let's try 1 mm just to see if that problem stays, or is it just an illusion? No, it seems as there is a hole here. So I might have to change maybe that fillet here, make it bigger, and see if that would help here. That's sort of, I can select it, that's crazy. So just cancel this out and see what happens right there. It's somehow selectable, but it's kind of transparent. That's crazy. Of course I could, yeah, it's somehow depending on that fillet here. So if I make this fillet a little bit bigger, this one, that was, which one? That fillet, fillet 3. Let's edit this one and make it maybe, let's go for 70 and see if this will help with that fillet on the inside. Let's try once again, go for a fillet, select it, maybe select it somewhere else, select it here and see what will happen. So this looks okay, seems that helped indeed. So let's go for 5 mm, could I go for 10 mm as well? Let's try 10 and see what happens then. It still updates, that's great. So confirm. Now I want to make those offset surfaces. So go here for offset, select the face, make it 0 offset. Repeat here again, 0 offset. Confirm. Now go here, select this one and that one, 0 offset. Confirm. Then select this, 0 offset, and the other side as well. Go for 0 offset surface. Now I could hide part 2 and thicken those surfaces. So go for thicken, which should be over here, thicken this one, and 20 millimeters in that direction, yes, confirm. Go for another thicken on this one, again 20 millimeters, it should go up 20, yes, confirm. Another thicken with that one and this one. Takes a while, and I want to go for 10 millimeters with this one. Again, takes a while, confirm, and then thicken this one with 10 millimeters. That's the right direction, yes. Same on the other side, this one. And 10 millimeters. Yes, and confirm. Let's hide those surfaces. Go for hide all surfaces like this, and now I could add some fillets. So go for fillet. Let's try different values. Let's go for 50 and see if it works on this edge, that one, and those two down below. Yeah, seems like it does. And confirm. Then add a 10 millimeter fillet if possible on this edge here. 5 will work, 10 as well. Confirm. Next one, this edge, that edge, and maybe those at the back, this one and that one. And let's try to go for 50. Confirm. Add one on the top with 10 millimeters. Great. Now go for this edge here. Fillet. That might not work. It's red, that's not good. This could work. This would work. And that one does. So select it and deselect it. Let's try 30 and see if it works. Not really. Try once more. No, that doesn't work. That's strange, because on the other ones it will work. At least it seems. No, this one will not work as well. Now it does, so I have to do it in 2 steps maybe. So go here, select that one and this one. No, it doesn't work. So maybe I should do only half and then mirror it. So therefore I would have to change that, thicken 3, this one. Go there and deselect the second surface like that. Go back, yes, and now I could mirror that. So go for mirror this part here, and the mirror plane would be, of course, the front plane, that one, and merge it to part 6 and confirm. Now let's try a 5 millimeter fillet on top. Yeah, this works, so confirm. Great. Now for the other ones here, let's go for 30. On this edge here, works, okay. This should work, of course, as well, and maybe the one at the front. Yeah, so confirm. Let's do the same fillets on the other side. Let's go for another 30 millimeter fillet up there. Yes, on this one and on that one. Confirm. Then add 5 millimeters on this edge. Yeah. And 5 millimeters on the other side as well. and confirm. Great. So maybe give those parts the same color if possible. So go for edit appearance and let's make it that color here and confirm. Bring back our part 2. Show. So it looks like this. Looks okay. Now for the head cushion, I want to offset this. So let's go for a sketch on plane 1, this one. And I want to bring in, maybe as construction, use that surface like that. Then go for offset. Where's the offset? There's the offset. Select it. And it should go all around, of course. Select all those elements. And draw it to this side, maybe like that. And like this. Now let's do an offset face, or first do an extrude. Let's first do an extrude and a surface extrude with that sketch here. Surface sketch goes to this sketch. The other way around. Select them. Okay, that direction, maybe 40 should do, and confirm. Then make an offset surface from this one with 0 millimeter. And now I could split that face with this one. So go for split. I want to split the face, this face, with that extrude. Yeah, and confirm. So I should have that surface separated. Hide this one. So that's this one, and hide, or does it? Hide. Maybe that went wrong, so just hide that surface and check it. No, it didn't split. So that split didn't work. Face of offset surface, yes. And to split it with that one. Yes. So I should have a surface here. Which one? No. That's not the one. That's not the one. No, it's not here. So let's try this once more. Let's delete that split. And there is an offset surface. And that would be the last one, this one. Okay. Maybe let's hide that part and show that extrude. And I want to split. That surface here with that extrude and confirm. And now I've got my two surfaces. That's That's the one. Okay. Let's make a thicken with this one. Make it 20 millimeters. Confirm. And use a fillet. Maybe 60 on this edge. And that edge. Confirm. And another fillet on the top with 10 millimeters. And select those edges as well and confirm. Hide that surface and maybe give that the same color, so that would be part 9. Go for edit appearance, select this one and confirm, and let's bring back our part 2 and make it visible and switch to shaded without edges, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.